Hello and welcome back. If you haven't watched any of our previous tutorials, please go watch and see how you can take advantage of this free HR and payroll suite. Today we will be doing our pay transaction templates, which is used for pay rates and also on your payslips. To do that, you simply go to Services. Then click on Payslips. Then you can click on the Settings button. This will take you to the pay transaction templates. Over here, you'll see the basics that were added for you. You can add even more. To add a new one, simply click on that new button. Then you can select your tax code which will be applicable. Let's say it is computer allowance, and then you can add the description. I see we've already added a computer allowance, so I won't be saving this, but that would be the basics of it. Let's just make sure computer allowance is already there. You can also edit these descriptions and codes, but remember, when you edit these, they will also affect prior payslips already created. Payslips will be shown in a few episodes. Thanks for watching and join me again next time.